that affects our decision-making capability and how we handle the risks in time, for example. This is a continuing control adaptation. Number one, taking a failure tolerance. The willingness to embrace risk and societal response to failure significantly drives entrepreneurial activity. Example of entrepreneurial review. Sample witness, USA versus UK. Individualism and uncertainty of results. Fail fast mentality, entrepreneurs are discouraged to quickly get done if an idea does not work. Discouraged to adapt quickly.